Hey guys, welcome to my craft room. I have a few organizational things on the wall, but this side is a mess. Today we are going to tackle an easy way to make an abstract ocean painting. So we have our painting supplies and a paintbrush, some paper towels, and some cardboard to protect our countertops so it doesn't get all destroyed. So, come along with me and you can make one too. Okay, I've selected my colors and I just have a Walmart apple barrel acrylic paint. We have blue bonnet, English navy, award blue, blue kazoo, Tuscan teal, and Laguna, Caribbean, Key West, and antique parchment. And so that is the order of my paints from the top of my painting to the bottom. And it's just going to be real quick. Anybody can do it. You don't have to have a lot of artistic ability, but come along with me and let's do it together. Okay, I have my paint ready, and now I am the camera girl today and the artist, so bear with me if I make some mistakes. I am getting over a bit of a cold, so if I sound a little nasally today, I do apologize. Okay, so we'll start from the top, and this is how it's going to work. I've actually never done it while holding camera, so we'll see how this works. Okay, so we're going to go across the top. Okay, there's one. Now here's the next one. You can do less colors if you like. That's just what I chose. Oh, come on. Some of these paints were ones that set out for a little bit. Oh no. Well, it's best when they don't come out in piles like that. There we go. That one was a little bit more obedient for me. And come on. I was thinking this in mind. I'm wanting to redo my master bedroom, and I've been thinking a lot of ocean colors. I like blue and I like teal, and I can't really decide which one to do. And so I've been trying to come up with like an ocean design that has a little bit of blue and a little bit of teal, and I think it'll work out really well. Okay. I think I want a lot of teal, so I'm going to make 2 lines of that. I like this color. And then, all right. So this isn't a fancy painting, but, oh shoot, come on. All right, so this is the sand, this cream color. All right, I think we're good. Now, we got to work fast, but it looks like we have the beginnings of our ocean. So I'm going to go over here and grab my paintbrush. It's very well loved. And let's go to town and get it going. So, I'm going to try to get the sides. I don't paint a lot for artistic. I paint stuff with spray paint, but I don't do a lot of this. But this is kind of fun. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so we're going to add the blue in. And we're going to make sure we get the sides. Cool. I like it. It's a very abstract look. We will have a lot of extra paint on the edges, but once you start, there's really no going back. And you don't want to run out of paint. So, here we go. Sorry if I'm not getting this right. I'm trying to be camera girl. Too many things at once. Ooh, that's cool. Okay. All right, that's super cool. Okay. I don't want to do that cream with this brush because it'll just be all mixed in. So I'll be right back with another brush. Okay, I have this brush. I'll try to get it done really quick. And I got to get to the other one before the paint starts to set. And then it'll look crazy if I don't fix it. Okay. As long as we don't have any runs, I think we're good. And I think I'm going to hit this one up while I have the paintbrush all nice and clean. It's not really showing up on camera as much as it is for me on the canvas. We'll see if we can change the lighting here in a bit. And yeah, we're getting kind of some runs there on the sides, but I don't think I'll be able to tell. Oops, sorry, I dropped the camera a little bit. Okay, so they're not going to be perfect, but that's okay. All right, so I'm going to set that down. I'm going to do a little blending here. Oh, I like long brush strokes. Cool. I may be quite happy with the way that looks. Maybe a little bit of fixing at the top. Okay. Cool. I love the blend of colors. This is so neat. Okay. Oh, shoot. I have to fix that. I just made a boo-boo. I'm going to have to wipe this off just a second. Okay, I wiped it off with a paper towel. Shoot. Doesn't look quite as cool as it did. It's not bad. Okay. Super cool. That blue in. See what I mean about not going back, and then I keep trying to do little things, and yeah, that's pretty cool. I think I like it a lot. Yeah, I love the blend of the colors. Okay. Oops, long brush strokes. All right, I'm gonna leave that one alone. I think I like that the way it is. Oh, just kidding, I see a little spot down here. What did I do? Okay. But when you put on enough paint, you'll be just fine. If I can get that blue streak or not. Ooh, I think I like that. There's a little bit of blue in there. That's cool. Ooh, that's cool. So Okay, so you don't have to be an artist. You just, however you want your painting to look, just you decide. That's super cool. I think I really like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and I'll show you what they both look like. What they both look like in a moment. Okay, here are the finished products. Here's the first one I did. And as I was going through, I started deciding, ooh, I just love how that blue and teal kind of mixed with the cream. And so I did a lot more blending than what I showed you when I stopped the video earlier. So I just did the same technique, kept going on down to the bottom and blended that teal blue into that cream. And that is just gorgeous. It really looks like the ocean. And this is the other one. So you can see them side by side. They're both very similar. After doing them, I actually think this one's my favorite, but I like them both. Which one do you like? And what colors do you want in your picture? Comment below. As I said, I do like to spray paint, and I don't want to set this down because there's paint that's wet. But this is one I actually spray painted. You can do colors, and to blend, you hold the spray paint can at an angle, and then it feathers in the different colors. And so, but with acrylic, you can do a lot more blending. I like them both, but honestly, I think, so here's the, if I can be camera girl, here's the one I spray painted to the one on the right. The one on the right is acrylic, the one on the left is spray paint. And this is the second one I did. And right one is acrylic and the left is spray paint. I'm really in love with the acrylic. Which one do you like? And I hope you try this project. If you do, send me a picture. I'd love to see what you have done. And that is all. So thanks for watching. And remember to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching my channel. Bye-bye.